Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 215. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now we're missing a 1. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 5, 4 here, so 3, 5, and no help here, 3, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. No help here, 3, 4, 9. No help here, 3, 4, 9. We've got 3 and 9 here. So this is our 4. We can get rid of this 4 and this 4. But also that 4 makes this our 5, 3, 4. And that 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 6. No help here, 1, 5, 6. And no help here, 1, 5, 6. We look at this row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 here and a 5 here, so this is our 2. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 7 covering here and a 7 covering here, so our 7 must be here. But I don't see any other help. Oh, wait, no. We have the 1 here, so that makes this our 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 covering this box and a 2 covering this box, so our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. And I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so this is 5, 6, and that means the only place our 8 can be in that box is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 7, 6 here, so 7, 8, and no help here, 6, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 covering both of these boxes and a 5 here. So this is our 7. That 6 makes this our 5. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. And that 6 makes this our 5. So we'll do some cleanup here. With that 5, we get rid of this 5 and this 5. And with that 5, we get rid of this 5. We've got a 1 here, so we can get rid of that 1. That means the only place the 1 can be in this box is here. And with that 7, we can get rid of this 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this column now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 7, 4. And that 7 makes this our 8, 6. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 5, 6. And to finish off this box now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.